Ay, ganun ulit.
Hoy! Guys! Tayo sa bakay!
Yung pagkaran niyo muna si Leo.
Tara na, dali!
Oh! Yabang!
Uy, pisan nyo!
Oh, hawi! So, iniwan ako. Baka Leo, kasan mo ano? Ano? Bagal niya?
Bilis, butuin mo sa ano?
Huwag!
May nahuli oh! Uy, bilis, bola!
Hello? Hello?
Strike! Tara, pasok tayo! May lizard!
Hello, ulit!
Let's go inside!
Oo, nakakapagod mag-basketball.
Hindi, tara, pasok tayo. Tara.
Uy! Come on!
Wait lang, hindi pa ako naka-over.
Tara, pasok tayo.
Gentlemen.
Leo, kung magubad ng tsinelas, alam mo ba pag nakapaka sa loob ng bahay, mag-uugat pa mo?
Bakit naman?
Sabi sa akin ng lola ko.
Kaniwala dyan, barbero yun. Oo nga.
Tara, bahala kayo mo. Bahala kayo.
Para mag-ubad din ako. Hoy, tigil mo muna yan. JM, totoo ba yung sinabi sa akin kanina?
Hindi ko lang alam.
Halika, pag-aralin natin.
Ito, laptop po.
O nga ito, oh.
Tara,
Sige, search mo kung umuugat ako.
tara. Uy, JM, tara dito.
Shorty said she wants to run away. Says I look like a boy she used to date. Took me by the hand and pulled me to the stairs.
Yun, pwede yun, no?
Wait, tara, survey tayo sa school.
Hindi,
Oo
parang
nga,
sige,
oo nga.
tara, bilis,
Oo,
survey tayo.
Oo, talino mo.
Hey, Jonas, tapos ka na ba sa survey mo?
Oo, tapos na.
Oo, kasi sa sobrang lamig ng lapag, vapor.
Hindi, bakit?
Wait lang! Bakit may kaya yung shy? Hindi mo kanina? Hindi ako naniniwag.
Survey?
Hindi ko mag-try lang yung paa mo eh.
Yes.
Because?
Because your nerves get cold.
Oo! Kasi ganito yan.
Bakit?
E di pag nakaapak ka dyan, malamig yung semento. Kasi, ang inat po siya, magubot na sinabi ni Duki Santos, malamig yung semento.
Oo, malamig yung semento! Malamig yung semento! Hindi. Go!
Hindi ako naniniwala na lumalabas ang ugat sa paa kapag nagpaa ka sa
Napahaba.
isa.
Naniniwala ako kasi nangyayari yun sa akin eh. Araw-araw bakat ugat sa paa ko.
Yes.
Why?
Kasi siguro, pag nalalamigan yung paa, nagkakaugat. Pag nagaan sa
kasi?
Kasi ano mag-uugat yung paa mo. No, kasi natural lang ang paglalakad. So, bakit magkakapos lang? Normal lang. Go!
Hindi.
Kasi,
Ay, may kasi pa ba? Kasi, wala naman siyang connect.
hindi naman nyo alam kung marami. Yun! Hindi nga.
Oo, sabi nila. Oo. Sabi nga nila, lalo na kapag kakatanggal mo na ng shoes mo. Siyempre, hindi pa sama daw yun.
Oo. Kasi yung gabing number magugulat sa paa mo. Tapos parang yun yung magiging tendency para ito yung base sa survey namin, 12 ang nag-yes at 11 ang nag-no. Kung mapapansin nyo, hati ang opinion ng tao.
My heart's a stereo, it beats for you, so listen close. Hear my thoughts in every note. Make me your radio and turn me up when you feel low. This melody was meant for you, so sing along to my stereo.
Class heroes, baby. If I was just another dusty record on the shelf, would you blow me off and play me like everybody else? If I asked you to scratch my back, could you manage that? Like if we had chicken trappy, I can handle that. Furthermore, I apologize for any skipping tracks. This is the last girl that played me, left a couple cracks. I used to, now I'm over that. Cause holding grudges over love is ancient artifacts. If I could only find a note to make you understand, I sing it softly in your ear and grab you by the hands. Keep me stuck inside your head like your favorite tune, and know my heart's a stereo, the only place for you.
My heart's a stereo, it beats for you, so listen close. Hear my thoughts in every note.
Come on.
Make me your radio and turn me up when you feel low. This melody was meant for you, so sing along to my stereo.
Let's go! If I was an old school 50-pound boombox, would you hold me on your shoulder wherever you walk? Would you turn my volume up in front of the cops and crank it higher every time they told you to stop? And all I ask is that you don't get mad at me when you have to purchase Mad D batteries. Appreciate every mixtape your friends make. You never know, we come and go like on the interstate. I think I finally found a note to make you understand. If you can hit it, sing along and take me by the hands. Keep me stuck inside your head like your favorite tune. You know my heart's a stereo, the only place for you.
My heart's a stereo, it beats for you, so listen close. Hear my thoughts.
Ay sa research namin, sa hagit namin ay walang kinalaman ang lamin sa pag-uugat ng paa tuwing nagpapaa sa bahay.
At marami eksperto ang nagsabi nito.
Dreams and now she's standing next to me down by the shore, first weekend of the summer. Gotta take a chance and just ask for a number. I wish I had a song on MTV, cause in a crowded room I'd be the only one she sees. She's looking bored and now I'm running out of time. I've only got 6 minutes if I'm gonna make her mine. 1 minute and the earth begins to shake. 2 minutes and my heart begins to break. Another minute and she makes me feel brand new.
Hindi ako ready.
That's just 8 minutes with you. 4 minutes and she's everything.
Ay, mali.
Kasama tayo.
Where I wanna be. Another minute everything just feels so right.
Ginawa ka
Video ako narinig sa
Dali na!
Ay, binibidyo na.
Tapos, yung sabihin, tanong mo, Jem, uy, totoo ba yung sinabi mo kanina? One. Uy, tara, survey tayo sa school. Bale sa survey namin, 30 nang nag-yes at 13 din ang nag-no. Kung mapapansin nyo, pantay lang yung yes at no.
Ulitin natin yan.
Ay! Gusto mo! Wow, girlie! Ano na ba yan?
Opinion ng tao.
Walang kinalaman.
Okay, go, 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 go.
Walang kinalaman. Walang walang kinalaman. Ang lamig. Walang kinalaman ang lamig sa pag-uugat ng paa tuwing nagpapasok.